Okay, so let's talk about VR, specifically the MetaQuest 3 versus, you guys may not see that coming, but the Steam machine. And I don't have a Steam machine and probably never will. So I'm going to use this as a visual representation of the Steam machine. Okay, this is the Steam Deck, aka portable Steam, and technically the Steam machine is also aka portable Steam, just different. So yeah, whenever I want to pick up a reference for the Steam machine, I'm going to use this as a visual aid reference. Okay, so yeah, my thoughts are, first of all, I would like to talk about the fact that we learned how much it's going to cost for a Steam machine. We learned that it is, for the base model, a bit over $1,000 USD. And if you want the multiple terabyte model, you'll need to pay around what, 1,300, maybe 1,400 with tax, somewhere around there. Whereas the MetaQuest 3 and 3S is, well, relatively cheaper, going at like, I think, around 400 to 500, 3 and 3S respectively. There'll be links in the description below if you want to pick one up. Also, feel free to use code TECH at checkout. If you do get a MetaQuest 3 or 3S headset, you'll get $30 in Quest cash, which is basically in-store credit. Now, using the code or links provided in the description below does help the channel, help support me and the channel. I thought I'd mention that. But back to the reason I'm even comparing the both, okay? Because arguably this plays 2D games and this plays 3D games, but it also plays 2D games to an extent. See, but the difference is this stores the games on this device, whereas this stores. Okay, this is a standalone device, so it stores its own games on the device. Like if you go to the MetaQuest store and you use code TECH for 10% off games and then buy some games, it will store it on here internally. But the thing is, if you play Steam games on here, on the MetaQuest 3, you will need a computer to do that. It will, yeah. Technically, you can also download. Okay, so this is, let's put this as it is for a moment, an actual Steam Deck. Okay, technically speaking, you can play Steam Deck games on the MetaQuest 3. It will sync up to the MetaQuest 3. Presumably that's the same for the Steam machine, but I'm not entirely sure since I don't have a Steam machine. But see what happens when you turn the Steam Deck on and you go to MetaQuest Steam option, it will give you a choice. It will detect your Steam Deck. So you're able to play the game. What it's doing is it's wirelessly streaming the game to your MetaQuest headset. So that way you can even play 2D games in a 3D type environment, if you will. So it works out brilliantly that way. So, I mean, arguably, in that case, that means you're using the Quest 3 as more of a TV type thing in that situation. But with that said, I don't know how many of you guys already own computers, but if you do already have computers and stuff, there's also software you can use. Like, I'll put in a link in the description below. There's a software you can use that makes it so you can basically replicate and remote access your computer through the MetaQuest 3 so you can see what you're doing on the computer on the MetaQuest 3, which is pretty cool because then you can play the games and have fun. You can even get like OBS, which stands for Open Source Broadcasting, into the mix, and then you'll be able to actually put that on full screen and then just play your game, play your 2D game in a 3D space, even though it's on your computer and not even using this. But the easiest way is probably this and this. I actually have a whole video where I show you how to connect this and this technically. So yeah, that's one of those things that I guess that's why I'm making the video. Now, spec wise, oddly enough, I feel like, okay, so the specs don't matter too much when it comes to here. If you're using it as a replacement for, Steam Machine, the specs on the MetaQuest 3 and 3S don't matter as much. I say that because of the fact that your computer or your Steam Deck is going to be doing the heavy lifting. So it won't even come into. But as a bonus, you will be able to play VR games on the MetaQuest 3 and 3S as well as 2D titles as well. So I think that's pretty cool personally. I honestly do. And it's a lot cheaper. I will admit there may be like one or two extra steps that may not be just like simple plug and play as if you bought a Steam machine where you could plug that in the same as you plug in your console and whatnot. But I think that's the good alternative. Now, with that said, there is one caveat I do want to mention. Okay, it's very important. If you do not have good internet at all, like your Wi-Fi terrible, the worst ever, you're going to have an extremely bad experience for using it for this specific reason. Okay, because as of right now, you cannot install PC games on the MetaQuest 3. With that said, there is a link cable you can get for the MetaQuest 3 link cable. Wait, that's a Game Boy Color? But yeah, that's like a link cable type thing you can get for the MetaQuest 3 to link it up to your computer. So that should help a bit with that if you're worried about latency and all that. But yeah, that's just my take on the whole MetaQuest 3 being a Steam Machine alternative. A Steam Machine alternative? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.